Alright, there we go. Well, you guys, it's a nice, stormy, rainy, gray day in February. But you never know what's in the river. It changes every day. Wow, it's pretty swollen, which is a plus, right? Oh, somebody left their Christmas tree here. You know, I think a lot of people believe that if you put it back in the woods, it'll grow. That's a nice little tree. We never did find our carrots. Nice one. There's a cute little tree down here. Feel anything? Got the magnet.
Got a bottle cap.
Oh, nice. Score. That's a good one. Right?
Yeah.
We don't have that kind.
Some rocks.
Ooh, really got it out there, huh?
Right.
Boy, it is swollen.
Yeah. It's a crazy day.
Right? At least it's not pouring.
Right.
Some. A nail. Nice nail. I'll hold it. One more, huh?
Sounds good.
Got the magnet.
Nice.
Nice one. Wow, good thing you had your foot on it. It's not raining too bad, guys. It's only February. River is swollen. We'll have fun this spring, right?
Oh yeah.
Yep.
There's our branch out
Yeah?
there.
Where you guys went and swimming?
Super deep.
I know. Look how thick it is.
Definitely widened.
Yes. Swollen. I think that's what they call it. No gun.
Right.
No gun.
Nothing.
But hey, we got a bottle cap and a tack out of the river, so we're doing our share to preserve the environment. Y'all have a good day and come back sometime to Backroad Hillbillies.